Welcome in, Dark Hearts. I'm Mooney.
And Wolfie with your Nerd Network news.
Have you ever wanted to live like a hobbit? Well, on March 25th, you're going to be able to when Tales of the Shire, a Lord of the Rings game, releases. And y'all, we are so excited about this game. The developer is Weta Workshop. Them developing a game that's cozy and beautiful? Oh, you guys, this is something we've been asking for a long time.
And this is a night and day difference from the absolute flop of the Gollum game that we got earlier this year. Instead of dark, dingy, and underproduced, Tales of the Shire is giving us a beautiful, relaxed game that is going to be an excellent cooldown from some of those spookier games we're going to be playing. And despite Tolkien leaving us with literally hundreds of pages of Hobbit lore, Weta understands that we just can't get enough of these delightful furry-footed creatures. Honestly, this is looking like one of those games where you start it to unwind, and then you wake up a few hours later, passed out in your gaming chair.
And that makes sense with this being a very cozy game. You, as your hobbit, are going to be able to engage in activities like farming, fishing, foraging, gardening, cooking, and trading. The game is also going to be featuring weather and season mechanics. Obviously, that's going to affect your daily routine.
This is giving me major Okami vibes, particularly the feature of the game where you could just feed the animals and let that beautiful music play for hours at a time.
It definitely seems like a great move from Weta, pushing back that release date to March 25th. However, at the end of March next year, we're going to be playing probably one of the most cozy games of the year.
And we haven't even talked about some of the other features of this game, like you get to design your own character, you get to design your own hobbit hole with grid-free customization. So if you prefer to put your chairs on the ceiling, go right ahead. March 25th is going to be the day where you'll get to see your hobbit come to life. And until then, Dark Hearts, stock up on your long bottom leaf and make sure you've got plenty of snacks for 11Zs. NNN would like to thank our listeners for tuning in.
And our radio sponsor, 88.1 FM, KVSC, your sound alternative. And Woodforia, DJs, photography, and more. You can get a quote for your special event at MinnesotaProDJ.com.
Make sure you like and subscribe to DarkHeart_Studios on YouTube, hit that bell, and follow our socials for full video versions of NNN, interviews, and live events coverage.
Thank you for tuning in, Dark Hearts. This is Mooney.
And Wolfie, signing off.